Welcome to HeatSign. In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to easily convert our portable Peen marking machine into a desktop marking station using a rocker arm. This is our portable Peen marking machine, built for flexibility and precision. First, remove the handheld bracket to prepare it for fixed arm use. Next, attach the machine securely to the rocker arm. This transforms your setup into a stable desktop marking system, perfect for stationary workpieces. Now open the HeatSign software, input your desired marking content, text, numbers, or logos, and adjust the marking parameters to suit your material. Lower the machine head using the rocker arm until the marking tip is at the ideal distance from the surface. This ensures accurate depth and clarity. Hit forces and watch as the machine delivers a clear, permanent mark with high-speed Peen precision. Here's the finished result: sharp, durable, and perfect for traceability. Need flexible marking for your production line? Contact HeatSign for professional marking solutions tailored to your needs.